Hey, what's up, Theta Network holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video. This is the latest update of the Theta Network. And you know what, my friends, you will be feel very happy after watching this video. So, absolutely, this video is going to be very important, very enjoyable for all of you, my friends. Because in this video, I'm talking about that what really happened today, my friends. What really happened today? Let's see, my friends. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button and also like this video for more news and updates videos about Theta Network. First of all, my friends, let's see the latest price of the Theta Network in the market. 5.57 USD dollar is the latest price of the Tether XDM. That is the latest price, 5.57 USD dollar. And on the other side, my friends, if we talk about the price changes occur in the XDM, so you can see that the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is negative, and last 1 week changes occur and the XDM as positive. You can see, my friends, I am also sure about that the changes of Theta Network become positive. And you know it is. You know what? In the nowadays, you know what? It is the ending of a month. That is why the whole cryptocurrencies changes become positive. Cardano, Shiba Inu, VeChain, a lot of cryptocurrencies pricing is now positive, my friends. So why they are positive? Due to the ending of a month. In the ending of a month and in the beginning of a month, the price become positive. So Theta Network also starts jumping. You can see, my friend, that the latest last 1 hour. From the last 1 hour, the price change of the Theta Network is positive, and still, my friends, the price of the Theta Network is positive, and they are in the jumping mode. So that's really a good news for all of you. And now my prediction, my technical analysis also tell us that Theta Network will continue this pump for a long time. Continue this pump for a long time. Possibilities for the upcoming 1 week, for the upcoming 2 week. But you know what I recommend for everybody, that never sell Theta Network before end of this month. You know what, my friends, the price of Theta Network is very badly dumps in the previous month. From 9-10 USD dollar, the price falls down to 5 USD dollars. So that's really a big loss. It takes time to recover his loss, my friends. So just hold it, never decide to sell. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.